In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the best thumbnails using Canva. Open Canva and type YouTube thumbnail into the search bar. You'll see ready-made layouts sized for the platform. Many tailored to different niches. Pick one that matches your topic and tone. Treat the template as a starting point. You can replace every photo, color, and font so the design fits your style. As you preview options, think about the emotion your video promises and pick a layout that supports that feeling. Next, bring in high-quality imagery. Upload your own crisp photos or browse Canva's library for strong visuals. Avoid anything soft or pixelated. Thumbnails are small and compression can make weak images look worse. If you use Canva Pro, try background remover to cut out your subject. That separation makes the subject pop and pulls the viewer's eye exactly where you want it. Position the subject slightly off-center to leave room for text, and make sure eyes and key details are sharp. Select your image and open Edit Photo to fine. Lightly adjust brightness, contrast, and saturation to add punch without blowing out details. Lift shadows if faces or products are too dark, and ease highlights if they look harsh. When the background competes with the subject, add a subtle blur. This creates depth, keeps the frame calm, and helps the main element stand out. A touch of sharpening can help edges read at small sizes, but keep it subtle so it looks natural. Now add readable text that works on a phone screen. Choose large, bold fonts with strong contrast so the message is clear at a glance. Use a shadow or lift effect, or place the text on a solid shape to separate it from the background. Keep the phrasing short and specific, and give the letters breathing room so nothing feels cramped or lost. Limit yourself to a few words that echo the hook of your video rather than the full title. Incorporate your branding to build recognition. Use the colors and fonts from your Canva brand kit so every thumbnail looks like part of the same series. Consistent visuals help viewers spot your content quickly in search results and recommendations. When you are happy with the layout, export it properly. For the sharpest image, download a PNG. If you need to stay under the 2 MB file size limit, switch to JPG to reduce size while keeping quality. If the PNG exceeds limits, try slightly lowering quality during export rather than shrinking the design. Thanks for watching.